USA.
Is that it?
Yeah. So this week we had pretty much a hell week. This video is going to be really short because we all took turns with the plague this week. We were all sick in some way. Somebody was throwing up. If somebody wasn't throwing up, another person was sneezing uncontrollably, or another person had a fever. So this week's video is going to be about 2 minutes long. But today we are going to the beach because we're going to try and salvage something, and the ocean heals. So we're gonna go plop down in the ocean and hang out for a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't rain. The one day that we thought we would get some redemption by coming to the beach, that happens. If you can tell, it's just a big mass of wet rain full of thunder and lightning that's coming right towards us, so we're gonna have to leave. Or we're gonna get crazy and say to heck with it, and we're just gonna get in the water and have fun anyway. We just went to the ocean. We decided to hold out through the rain. We were all of us swimming in the ocean, in the rain. That was pretty fun. And then the sun came out. It's a happy little tender mercy. Like a happy little thing. And the sun came out, and it's made this week feel all right. Bloop, bloop.